Get ready, because the future is flashing before our eyes and the metaverse is calling. We're diving headfirst into a universe of breaking news that's shaping tomorrow, today. From groundbreaking infrastructure plays to the very fabric of virtual worlds, buckle up for updates that are moving at lightning speed. You won't want to miss a single second of this, because what happens now will define what's next. We've got the inside scoop on major strategic moves, innovative tech, and the challenges and triumphs that come with pushing boundaries. So, grab your front row seat, because the metaverse update you've been waiting for is here, and it's packed with insights you need to stay ahead of the curve. Let's jump in. First up, we're talking about a massive strategic opportunity that could redefine how we build and interact within the metaverse. Binance is making waves with a new listing and airdrop that's signaling a major play in the infrastructure race. This isn't just about a token, it's about the foundational elements that will power our digital future. We'll break down what this means for hodlers and the broader ecosystem, so stick around. Then, we're shifting gears to a project specifically engineered for the metaverse and gaming, Somnia. They're rolling out a high-throughput blockchain designed to handle the massive demands of these immersive worlds. We'll explore the technology behind Somnia and why it's poised to be a game-changer for developers and users alike. Get ready for a deep dive into the architecture that could support the next generation of virtual experiences. But it's not all smooth sailing in the digital frontier. We're also looking at the financial realities of growth, with a spotlight on String Metaverse. Facing significant financial challenges and navigating market volatility, this story highlights the tough decisions and strategic pivots happening behind the scenes. We'll unpack the valuation metrics and the market pressures that are testing even the most ambitious projects. And finally, a familiar name is making a bold leap into the virtual realm. Shiba Inu is leveraging the metaverse to completely rewrite its future, aiming to boost engagement and utility for its massive community. We'll explore their metaverse strategy, key partnerships, and how they're using cross-chain technology to expand their reach. This is a story about evolution and reinvention in the digital space. Don't go anywhere. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join the Metaverse Update community. We've got all the details you need. Binance's strategic metaverse play. Binance is making a significant move in the burgeoning metaverse infrastructure race, announcing a new listing and airdrop opportunity for SOMI. This strategic maneuver positions Binance at the forefront of supporting the foundational elements required for the next generation of virtual worlds. For dedicated crypto enthusiasts and long-term holders, often referred to as hodlers, this presents a unique chance to engage with a project aimed at building the very highways and byways of the metaverse. The listing on a major exchange, like Binance, not only lends credibility, but also significantly increases accessibility for a wider audience, potentially driving demand and adoption for SOMI. The announcement signifies more than just a new token entering the market. It underscores a deliberate strategy to invest in and promote the underlying technology that will power immersive digital experiences. As the metaverse continues to evolve, the demand for high-performance, scalable, and secure infrastructure will be paramount. Projects like SOMI, focusing on these critical aspects, are crucial for enabling seamless virtual interactions, complex digital economies, and the widespread adoption of metaverse technologies. Binance's involvement suggests a recognition of SOMI's potential to meet these demanding requirements, offering a robust blockchain solution tailored for the unique challenges of gaming and metaverse applications. The airdrop component further sweetens the deal for existing holders and new participants, acting as a powerful incentive to engage with the SOMI ecosystem. Airdrops are a common strategy in the crypto space to distribute tokens widely, reward early adopters, and foster a sense of community ownership. By participating in this airdrop, users can acquire SOMI tokens, giving them a stake in the project's future development and success. This also serves as an excellent opportunity for those new to SOMI to get involved without a significant initial investment, potentially expanding the project's user base and network effect. This move by Binance is particularly noteworthy in the context of the ongoing metaverse infrastructure race. As more companies and individuals flock to build and inhabit virtual spaces, the underlying technology needs to keep pace. High-throughput blockchains, capable of handling millions of transactions per second, low latency, and secure data management, are essential. SOMI's focus on these areas positions it as a potentially key player in this infrastructure development. The strategic partnership and listing by Binance could provide SOMI with the necessary capital, visibility, and network access to accelerate its development and deployment, making it a compelling prospect for investors and builders alike. The broader implications of this listing extend to the overall health and growth of the metaverse ecosystem. By supporting infrastructure projects, major players like Binance are actively contributing to the creation of a more robust and capable digital frontier. This, in turn, can attract more developers, content creators, and users, leading to a virtuous cycle of innovation and adoption. Hodlers who have been patiently accumulating assets in anticipation of the metaverse's full realization may find this SOMI listing and Airdrop a particularly opportune moment to strengthen their positions in the foundational layers of this emerging digital economy. This is a pivotal moment for metaverse infrastructure, but what does this mean for the projects actually building these virtual worlds? We'll explore that next as we dive into Somnia, a blockchain built specifically for gaming and metaverse use cases. Somnia's high-throughput blockchain for the metaverse. Somnia is making significant strides in the metaverse and gaming sectors with its innovative high-throughput blockchain, specifically engineered to meet the demanding requirements of these immersive digital environments. Unlike general-purpose blockchains, Somnia is designed from the ground up to handle the complex, data-intensive, and fast-paced nature of virtual worlds and next-generation gaming. This focus on specialized architecture is crucial for delivering the seamless, lag-free experiences that users expect in the metaverse, where rapid transactions, complex interactions, and large-scale virtual economies are the norm. The core of Somnia's offering lies in its ability to process a massive volume of transactions quickly and efficiently. This high-throughput capability is essential for supporting features such as real-time multiplayer interactions, dynamic virtual environments that change based on user activity, and the seamless trading of digital assets and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Traditional blockchains often struggle with scalability, leading to network congestion, high transaction fees, and slow confirmation times, which can severely hamper the user experience in metaverse applications. Somnia aims to overcome these limitations by employing advanced consensus mechanisms and network optimizations tailored for these specific use cases. For the gaming industry, this means that developers can create more sophisticated and engaging experiences without being held back by technological constraints. Imagine massively multiplayer online games with thousands of players interacting simultaneously in a shared virtual space, or decentralized gaming platforms where in-game assets have true ownership and interoperability across different titles. Somnia's blockchain provides the underlying infrastructure to make these visions a reality, enabling secure ownership of digital assets, facilitating smooth in-game economies, and potentially supporting cross-game metaverse integrations. Furthermore, Somnia's architecture is designed to foster innovation within the metaverse. By providing a scalable and efficient platform, it lowers the barrier to entry for developers looking to build decentralized applications, dApps, and virtual experiences. This includes everything from social virtual worlds and digital art galleries to virtual real estate and immersive entertainment hubs. The ability to handle a large number of concurrent users and complex smart contract executions is fundamental to creating rich, interactive, and economically viable metaverse spaces. The project's commitment to addressing the specific needs of gaming and the metaverse sets it apart in a crowded blockchain landscape. While many projects offer general blockchain solutions, Somnia's specialized approach suggests a deep understanding of the challenges and opportunities within these rapidly growing sectors. This targeted development could lead to a more robust, user-friendly, and ultimately successful metaverse ecosystem, driven by a blockchain designed for its unique demands. As the metaverse continues its expansion, the underlying infrastructure will be a critical determinant of its success. Somnia's high-throughput blockchain represents a significant step forward in providing the necessary technological foundation. Its ability to support the high volume of transactions and complex interactions required for immersive gaming and metaverse experiences positions it as a key enabler for the future of digital interaction and entertainment. While cutting-edge technology is driving the metaverse forward, the financial health of these ambitious projects is also crucial. We're now turning our attention to String Metaverse and the challenges it's facing in this dynamic market. String Metaverse navigates financial hurdles. String Metaverse, a player in the ambitious world of virtual environments, is currently confronting significant financial challenges, compounded by high valuation metrics and the inherent volatility of the current market. This situation highlights the delicate balance between rapid growth ambitions and sustainable financial management that many emerging technology companies, particularly in the metaverse space, must navigate. The metaverse, while promising immense future potential, requires substantial upfront investment in technology, development, and marketing, making financial resilience a critical factor for long-term survival and success. The company's high valuation metrics, likely established during periods of market exuberance or based on projected future growth, are now coming under scrutiny as the broader economic climate shifts. Market volatility, including fluctuations in cryptocurrency prices and a general tightening of investment capital, can put immense pressure on companies with high growth expectations but unproven revenue streams. This often leads to a reassessment of market worth and can make it more difficult to secure follow-on funding or maintain operational stability. These financial challenges can manifest in various ways, potentially impacting development timelines, talent acquisition and retention, and the overall pace of innovation. For a metaverse project, which relies on continuous technological advancement and community engagement, any disruption in these areas can have cascading negative effects. Investors and stakeholders are closely watching how String Metaverse addresses these issues, looking for signs of strategic financial planning, cost management, and a clear path forward to profitability or sustained growth. Navigating these turbulent waters requires astute financial leadership and a clear understanding of the company's financial position relative to market conditions. String Metaverse may need to explore various strategies, such as restructuring its operations, seeking new investment rounds under potentially less favorable terms, or pivoting its business model to generate revenue more quickly. The ability to adapt and make difficult decisions in response to financial pressures will be key to its resilience. The metaverse sector, in general, is still in its nascent stages, and many projects are in a phase of heavy investment and development rather than immediate profitability. However, the current economic climate is testing the fortitude of even the most well-capitalized ventures. String Metaverse's situation serves as a case study for the broader industry, underscoring the importance of realistic financial projections, efficient capital allocation, and the ability to weather market downturns. Public and investor reaction to these financial challenges will likely focus on transparency and the company's communication strategy. Clear updates on financial health, strategic adjustments, and future outlook are crucial for maintaining confidence. Analysts will be scrutinizing the company's balance sheet, cash burn rate, and revenue generation capabilities to assess its long-term viability. The success of String Metaverse in overcoming these hurdles will not only determine its own future, but also offer valuable lessons for other companies operating in this rapidly evolving and capital-intensive industry. While some metaverse projects face financial headwinds, others are boldly forging ahead with ambitious plans to redefine their digital presence. Get ready for our next story, where a familiar name is making a significant leap into the metaverse: Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's metaverse ambitions. Shiba Inu, the well-known Ethereum-based memecoin, is making a significant strategic push into the metaverse with the launch of SHIB, the metaverse. This initiative aims to fundamentally reshape the token's utility and community engagement by creating an immersive virtual environment. The move signifies a deliberate effort by the Shiba Inu project to evolve beyond its meme coin origins and establish a tangible, interactive digital ecosystem that offers real value and experiences to its vast global community, often referred to as the SHIB Army. The metaverse strategy is multifaceted, focusing on enhancing user engagement and providing new avenues for token utility. SHIB. The metaverse is envisioned as a space where users can interact, play, socialize, and participate in a digital economy powered by the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This expansion into virtual worlds is a critical component of the project's roadmap, designed to increase the relevance and adoption of SHIB tokens by embedding them within a compelling and interactive digital experience. Such integrations are crucial for driving demand and creating sustainable value for the token, moving it beyond speculative trading. Key to this expansion is a series of strategic collaborations designed to bolster community participation and enhance the project's reach. A notable partnership with Courage, CCDOG, has already seen initiatives like a $50,000 USDT giveaway and exclusive NFT airdrops for leash holders. These collaborations are not merely promotional stunts. They represent a concerted effort to foster genuine community involvement, reward active participants, and integrate SHIB into broader digital ecosystems. The Courage team's emphasis on delivering real value and fun to holders underscores a growing trend in the crypto space towards tangible utility over pure hype. Furthermore, Shiba Inu is actively enhancing its cross-chain capabilities to broaden accessibility and liquidity. The integration with Chainlink's Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, CCIP, is a pivotal development, enabling SHIB to function seamlessly across multiple blockchains. This expansion, which now includes support for 12 different blockchains such as Optimism, Polygon, and Arbitrum, significantly increases the token's utility. For instance, DeFi lending platforms like Folks Finance are now integrating cross-chain SHIB, allowing users to leverage it as collateral or earn yields, thereby increasing its economic utility and accessibility for a wider range of users and applications. Despite these ambitious developments and ecosystem growth, Shiba Inu has faced market headwinds, with its price experiencing a notable decline year-to-date. However, the project's strategic focus on metaverse integration, cross-chain functionality, and community-driven initiatives like the Courage partnership are designed to counter these pressures. By creating real utility and fostering a more engaged community, the project aims to stabilize its token value and attract new users, potentially driving demand and offsetting the impact of broader market sentiment. The long-term success of Shiba Inu's metaverse venture will depend on its ability to deliver a compelling and engaging virtual experience, successfully integrate its tokenomics within this new environment, and continue to expand its cross-chain utility. The project's commitment to tangible deliverables and community empowerment positions it to potentially rewrite its narrative and secure a more sustainable future within the evolving digital landscape. These diverse developments highlight the dynamic nature of the metaverse, showcasing both strategic opportunities and the inherent challenges of innovation. We've covered a lot of ground today, but we're not done yet. Stick around for a quick recap of all the top stories. That's a wrap on today's essential metaverse updates. We saw Binance jump into the infrastructure race with a strategic SOMI listing and Airdrop. Somnia is building a high-throughput blockchain specifically for gaming and metaverse needs. String Metaverse is facing financial challenges amidst market volatility, and Shiba Inu is leaping into the metaverse to redefine its future. Don't miss out on what's next. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our growing community. Plus, follow us on social media for even more insights. Your journey into the metaverse starts here.